Hello, dear students. Thank you for joining me. Are you excited to learn something new? Let's get started. Today, we will be learning A sound. A. Your turn. This digraph is the combination of two amazing vowels A and U, and when we put them together, it makes the sound A. Let's see some examples. Sausage. S, A, S, A, J. Sausage. Author. Author. Naughty. Naughty. Dinosaur. Dino. Saur. Dinosaur. Audio. Audio. Pause. Pause. Sauce. Sauce. Fault. Fault. August. August. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my hard work, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.